Everyone can feel empowered in Slovenia, the land of fantastic business opportunities, where advanced ideas and sustainable systems come to life in the hands of bright visionaries such as Iskraemeco, the leading provider of smart metering solutions, who has been bringing intelligence to energy for more than 75 years. Today, Iskraemeco, part of the Elsewedy Electric, is shaping the future of smart energy and water management with comprehensive infrastructure solutions that help anticipate demand and optimize consumption.
At Iskraemeco, sustainability is a philosophy we live by. Our digitalized tools address global environmental challenges and help energy companies improve the quality of life and protect the planet's resources. We are present in more than 80 countries around the globe, and we still draw our inspiration, agility, and knowledge from the incredible ecosystem of Slovenia, our home.
From a local manufacturer of electrical components to a globally recognized front-runner, Iskraemeco's work has received 2 Golden Innovation Awards, the FDI Award of Slovenia and the Global Smart Meter Excellence Leadership Award. With smart solutions, such as the first fair meter in the world, it shows its commitment to simplifying efficient energy use and building a better tomorrow for us all. By being green, creative and smart, Iskraemeco is an example of the thriving Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Power up in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.